Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is the StarLink router wall mount right here. You can find this on StarLink's website, but once you get the StarLink subscription, then they'll give you an option to go to this website where you can find all kinds of other cool accessories for your StarLink. And like I said, this is for the wall mount on the StarLink. If you look right here, that is my StarLink right there. My dad is fastening the cable. StarLink does include a 50-foot cable. On their website, you can buy a cable for 150 feet. That is so cool. We're getting excellent reception with StarLink. As you can see, we are in the hills right here, down below in the valley. We're surrounded by hills, big trees, all kinds of stuff, and we're getting fast, accurate, no dropping internet. We've never had that before. So this is so cool. So right now we're gonna go inside the house. I'm gonna show you this, how easy it is to set up with the router and attach to the wall and what it looks like. All right, why don't you join me? All right, when you do get your StarLink, you have some different options, accessories to buy for your router and your power supply. This is the power supply mount right here. And then this is the router mount that you can install on the wall. So we're going to show that, what it looks like all set up. All right, here is what the router mount looks like right here. And I have a cable coming from into the house. It goes behind the TV down to the router. So I really like that router mount. Secures it nice against the wall. And then here is the power mount. I also bought that. You can find that on their website. So I'm going to take these cords, I'm going to fasten them probably up and underneath the woodwork here so you won't be able to see that. But as you can see, I'm getting Amazon Prime right now and great reception. I have maybe about 3 devices hooked up to this, and it's just the speed of the internet. No dropping at all. It's been working out great. Highly recommend StarLink. Again, check out the link down below. You can get 1 month free. All right, talk to you later. Adios. Bye.